Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down Mara Holdings' third quarter fiscal 2024 earnings. We'll cover key financial performance metrics and dig into insights from the earnings call. Let's get started. Starting with top-line revenue, the original estimate for Q3 was $140.3 million. The company actually reported revenue of $131.6 million, missing expectations by 6.2%. However, this quarterly revenue marked a significant 34.5% increase compared to the $97.85 million reported in the same quarter last year. Moving to adjusted earnings per share, or EPS, the original estimate for Q3 was a loss of 34 cents. The company also reported a loss of 34 cents, which was in line with expectations. This result reflects a 72 cents decrease compared to the 38 cents reported in the same quarter last year. Now let's dive into some additional performance metrics highlighted during the earnings call. We saw a 9% increase in Mara's energized hash rate, reaching 36.9 exahashes per second in Q3. This strong operational execution translated to a 32% increase in total block space production on a quarter-over-quarter basis. As a result, Mara's revenues increased by 35% compared to the same period last year, highlighting their ability to capitalize on the growth in the Bitcoin network. On the cost front, Mara has made impressive strides in driving down their cash cost of revenue per petahash per day, which decreased by 18% to $37.1. This was driven not only by their accretive acquisitions, but also their focus on organic growth and deployment of additional capacity. In fact, the company saw a 10% sequential decline in cash cost of revenue from Q2 to Q3, demonstrating their ongoing efforts to optimize their cost structure. Notably, Mara's balance sheet continues to strengthen, with the company now holding over 27,000 Bitcoin, valued at approximately $2.5 billion. This substantial Bitcoin treasury provides Mara with significant financial flexibility and the ability to generate yield, further enhancing shareholder value. Now, let's shift focus to some of the key insights and takeaways from the earnings call. A major highlight was Mara's acquisition of 372 megawatts of owned and operated capacity across 3 sites in Ohio. This strategic move aligns with the company's focus on lowering operating costs through owned energy generation. By expanding their footprint in the PJM market, one of the largest and most sophisticated independent system operators, Mara aims to further diversify its portfolio and unlock cost-saving opportunities. The company's unwavering commitment to driving down energy costs is exemplified by their partnership with NGON to leverage stranded natural gas resources. This innovative approach allows Mara to generate electricity at a cost of around 1 cent per kilowatt hour, significantly lower than the typical market price of 4 cents per kilowatt hour. As the company continues to expand its owned and operated data center capacity, these types of strategic initiatives will be crucial in maintaining their cost leadership position in the industry. Notably, Mara's management team highlighted their vision for the company, positioning it not merely as a Bitcoin mining operation, but as a technology company focused on providing comprehensive energy management solutions. This shift in mindset reflects their ambition to leverage their expertise and infrastructure to serve a broader customer base, including AI and hyperscaler companies, further diversifying their revenue streams. The earnings call also touched on Mara's engagement with the U.S. government, particularly in the context of the recent election results. The company's management expressed optimism about the increased pro-crypto sentiment in the legislative branch, and their intention to actively collaborate with policymakers to shape the regulatory landscape for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency more broadly. This proactive approach aims to ensure that the benefits of Bitcoin mining, such as its ability to provide dispatchable load and support the transition to renewable energy, are well understood by government stakeholders. Looking ahead, Mara's strategic focus on owning and operating its energy and data center infrastructure, coupled with its strong balance sheet and technological expertise, position the company well to navigate the evolving landscape of the Bitcoin mining industry. As the company continues to execute on its growth plans and explore new revenue streams, investors will be keenly watching for further developments that solidify Mara's position as a leader in this dynamic and rapidly changing market. That wraps up our recap of Mara Holdings' third quarter fiscal 2024 earnings. If you found this recap helpful and want to stay on top of more earnings reports from other companies, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns coming your way from Earnings Central.